everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And today I'm so excited I have a collaboration video for you. After you're done watching mine, if you haven't already, I'm going to link down in the description box down below. See, Dawn Loves Couture, Totes Jean, David's Closet, and Winnie BLV. I believe that's all of us that are going to be doing this collaboration. We are all going to be basically reviewing the same items from the same place. So you may remember a while back I did a review on this gorgeous bag. This was from Naomi Crafted. I was gifted this bag, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I used it as soon as I got it. The week I got it, I used it for a week and absolutely love it. It's beautiful. It's gorgeous. It has feet. I didn't even take the plastic off the bottom of the feet yet because I figure I'll keep those on there to keep the feet nice for right now. And yeah, I can't say enough good things about this. It was beautifully made. My understanding is they're handcrafted, and I love this bag. So I decided I wanted to buy more from, or not buy more, buy something from her actually, because I was really pleased with that. And that brings me to this. Now I did get this in the mail. This is how it was packaged in this brown box. And I have two items in here. They have, they're wrapped basically like this. And what I received, and these I did, like I said, these I paid for myself. These were not gifted. I purchased these. There's a couple more things on her site I might actually go purchase because there are more, she's been adding more things from different lines, and so far I have been really, really pleased with what I purchased. In fact, my understanding was I was only going to get one of these, and I got two different sizes, so I don't know if it comes with the two or if she was just being nice and giving me extra. I don't think that when I received some emails about this, it did not appear to be the same person I was working with when I was gifted those, so I think that maybe these just come together, but I don't know for sure. But what I got was these little pouches here. I'm going to open up both of them. And what she does is she recycles materials from other companies. Now, these are made, my understanding, with Hermes dust bags. And then the Hermes ribbons are put across the top. And then she even ties a little bit of the ribbon on here. Now, the hardware is not Hermes. It's just regular hardware. It's interesting. This one appears to have a dark blue or black zipper, and this one has brown. Looks like the trim on both of them is brown. And the hardware on this one is a nice gold tab, but with the plastic black zipper. And this one is a plastic brown zipper with the less expensive little brown tab on it. So not real expensive zippers. They are plastic, but to be fair, not a lot, but I have seen definitely different brands still doing plastic zippers on their bags. So now to open these, I'm going to start with the little one here. And again, there's the brown piping around the edges. This does appear to be an authentic Hermes dust bag. I matched it to mine. It does match. The ribbons match my ribbons. And the interior on this is it's brown fabric. Just a regular cotton fabric. I would say maybe like a canvas, but not quite as thick as a canvas, but definitely thicker than like a quilting cotton. I say because I quilt. The inside is finished off nicely. The edges are finished. And then there is one pocket that you could fit like credit cards and stuff in or more.
Could you put poly in there?
Yeah, I guess if you had a poly pocket. But yeah, the interior is finished off really nicely. I'm just kind of checking it out here. This is just coming from my quilting eye, which isn't the greatest, but I'm just gonna say, looks nice and neat to me. So, although the zipper isn't a nice heavy metal zipper, seems pretty decent to me. And, yeah, I would say that it might be a little bit crooked here. The ribbon on here looks a little, you know, there's more space here than here. But in the grand scheme of things, do I care? No. Why would I care? Who's going to be looking at that? Nobody's going to be close enough to me looking at that to be like, oh, that's oh, yeah, no, there's a little more space over there. Nobody's going to notice that. So there's this one. Then this one now is a little bit bigger, again, than that one. Just kind of show them here. And again, this one, very interesting combination of a pretty nice metal zip handle, but a plastic zipper. This one is really nice inside as well. Again, that same fabric that I would say that is heavier than a quilting cotton, but not I wouldn't necessarily call it canvas. Now this one does not have a pocket inside. It is just a completely open piece, and this one's kind of an off brown color versus the brown that was in this one. The zipper, great. This one appears a lot more even across the top here. But, you know, the thing about that, too, is then you definitely know they're, like, handmade, which I appreciate. My understanding is there's, in sewing in general, there are machines that can do some things, but primarily, stuff has to be done by hand. There aren't machines that do everything. So, I think this is gorgeous craftsmanship. I can't see a machine doing any of this, and, it looks fantastic to me. I was going to give you a little bit of size references. This is it compared to a Chanel O pouch. So obviously a lot bigger than that one. This one would be a lot more comparable, but still bigger. Kind of look at that here. Width-wise, they're the same. And then I also wanted to compare it to like a little mini pochette. Oops. So now these, I would say these are closer in size, but I was going to say the pochette would most likely carry a lot more because it's definitely thicker, but yet this one's taller, so that would give it some extra space. Obviously, this one is going to be a lot bigger than that one. But they were sold as makeup pouches. I believe that's what they were called on here. So that is, I think, primarily what they thought they'd be for. For me, they're going to be a catch-all, although this would be phenomenal. Just if you had to run out of the house, throw your I mean, you could get a lot of stuff in here. You could get a card holder. You could get 2 card holders, one for your cards and one for your wallet. I mean, for your money, your wallet. You could still probably throw in your phone, car keys, like a fob. Well, let's just play around a little bit here. I always put my car keys in one of these. I can fit that in there. Let's say I want to use 2 card holders. I want to use one to keep my cash in. And let's say I want to use a little old Kelvy here. Oh, that's my Bastia. A Kelvy card holder to keep a few cards in. Put that there. I could put that in there, and if I closed it up like this, you could easily still fit a phone in there. Then it's going to bulk it out a little bit more, but you certainly could. But I mean, here you got your, you know, got bulky card key holder, cards, another thing for your cash. So this would be really nice for that. This one, I would say you'd probably have to put your cash, or I would probably put my cash or something up there, and then I could use something like this for regular credit cards. Yeah, I could put my my keys in there too. Maybe squeeze my phone in, but even here, you're seeing it starting to puff out a little bit more. So if your phone was in there and you got it zipped, it'd probably be a pretty tight fit. So yeah, I myself, I love these. I would recommend them for what I want. She states that everything on it is authentic from the brand. Well, I mean, that the dust bags are and the ribbons. I absolutely love the idea of them being recycled. I think that we are a nation that consumes a lot. I should talk because God knows I have enough consumption sitting around here. But it's little things, at least, that when I know things aren't going to the landfill and they're getting another use, which is another reason why I like buying used bags as opposed to new ones, because I absolutely love the idea that something is going to be used and continue to be used rather than thrown out or set aside. So I love this idea. You can watch some of Caleb Snell's videos, and he talks about where are all the dust bags for these bags, because he'll get things, you know, you purchase them yourself, and half the time they don't come with a dust bag. Like, where are, what are people doing with them? Are they throwing them out? Are they sitting in a drawer somewhere in a closet? I don't know, but they're not coming with the bags a lot of the time. And so why not use these bags and turn the dust bags into bags? I think that's phenomenal. Like this one. That's a beautiful dust bag. Why should that just be sitting in a closet somewhere, folded up or smushed inside a bag?
What's that word?
Smushed.
Okay.
I love the idea. I would have to say, in all honesty, it's an idea that I'm going to play with. I have dust bags that, yes, I know my bags should go in them, but I don't plan on selling my bags. So mightn't I try to make something like this?
Oh, God, not another hobby.
Stop it. That's not another one. I technically sew. And, yeah, I very well might. I don't know why not. Why should they just sit smushed up inside a bag? I like my bags to be out. I don't ever put them in direct sunlight. You know, this is as bright as it gets when the lights are on in here. The blinds are never opened. So even if they are getting sunlight, it's not direct sunlight. I dust them, I keep them clean, and they don't need to be in the dust bags, so the dust bags are crammed inside of them. And so, why? They're pretty too. I mean, so many of them are gorgeous. You know, the Gucci's phenomenal at doing pretty dust bags. The LV, while not necessarily as pretty, are very hardy, as with Hermes. So I love the idea. I love her items. I don't think that I'm finished buying from her. I don't doubt that there will be more in my future. And I'm glad to have these. So that's what I have for you today. Like I said, if you haven't already, please go down to my description box and click on everybody else's link to go watch their videos, see what they got, see what they think. Not everybody's going to have the same opinion as I do, I'm sure. And just thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this. I really appreciate it. If you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. Doesn't cost a dime. How many free things are there anymore, right? It's like free entertainment, and I could really use the subscription. So
are you not entertained?
And you can even hit the bell notification. It'll notify you every time I put up a video. If you haven't found me over on Instagram, I'm there as well at JamesJam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And I put out usually reels over there about once a week. I usually do what's in my bag and my bag of the week. So you get to see my SLGs for the week and a bag. See what fits. And I put out videos here on Wednesdays and Saturdays generally. Might be a few in between, but that's usually when I put them out. So thank you so much for being here. Until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.